Welcome YouTube family!
Hello!
Today we're going to jump into the monumental task of ripping up all the floors, which is going to be a very critical point for us because inside will now become outside.
We have no barriers anymore, but it's exciting and necessary and a really big step forward. Classic chai.
Classic chai.
Brad has something he wants to show you.
Oh, it's a good one. Where'd I put it?
There.
This is... Come on, focus. It's not going to focus. No. It's a rat foot.
No, gotta go right in.
This here, ladies and gentlemen,
it's like a claw, really,
is a rat foot.
Show the other side. Don't turn it. Ugh.
It's disgusting, and these are one of many things that are living in our walls at the moment.
So imagine what will be under the floors.
I don't want to know.
Anyway, so we're going to get into it. We're going to start with the front room, removing the floory bits.
We're going to start removing the floorboards in the front room. Floory bits. Hopefully we can get through some other rooms and maybe even the whole thing if we feel up for the challenge, but it depends on what we find under here. It could be like all sorts of cables, all sorts of dust, plants. We've pulled out vines from underneath here. So
animals.
Who knows what we're going to get into.
Your neighbour's cat is often under the house. Alright, let's get into it. Oh, this is so nerve-wracking. This makes me feel very vulnerable to the elements.
Oh.
Look at all the, let me get this to focus. Look at all the wood board, it's so damaged.
This board's like just turning to dust in that corner. But they don't eat hardwood.
Wild.
It's literally too hard for them. So, good thing for us is that everything, stud-wise and everything in the floor, ceiling joists, floor joists, studs, noggins, everything's hardwood in this house, which is fantastic because it's strong. But also great because wood borer doesn't get to it. Termites on the other hand will go for it, but definitely not wood borers. So, good thing for us.
Stacked. You can whisper behind my back. You can show me how the odds are up against me all day long. But I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear.
The floor is up. Floor is up, friends. So now we need to get out. If you have a look, let me come through here. I don't know. So many bones around. Look at all the nails per piece of wood. So Brad and I are going to pull all of them out.
What is it?
Brad's very distracted right now. It's a vine.
Why is it so long?
You're in a bit of a state. There's animals and vines. You're right.
Keep going.
Are you done?
Apparently not.
Alright, nail time.
I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes. Oh, now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. And my feet have come too far for you to tie 'em to the ground. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going at and turn it back around. You can't stop me now.
Tuffy.
What have you
Tom's
found?
acting awfully peculiar.
Brad, what have you found?
Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry number 106. This is limited edition. I don't print these anymore. It's in near mint condition. Slight wear. It's actually pretty good considering it's been under the floor for however many years. It's kind of cute.
How old do you reckon this is?
I don't know. I haven't actually seen a date at all.
I wonder if we could like frame one of the pages that are the best, see if we can preserve it and frame it or something. That'd be kind of cute.
I definitely could. Maybe this one's pretty. It's got a cute little toad on it.
And we found this little your teeth and your health. It's very cool. Oh, she just came out.
So, it goes instead of like this, what it does is it gets to the point where like the fulcrum of the hammer starts to pull it that way, whereas if you have the timber under it, it pulls it straight up. So it comes out so much easier. Because half the time you're fighting it by pulling it off to the side and you're actually trying to wrench it out that way, rather than straight up.
So true. I've
Wanna try
often
it?
said that to people.
Yeah, exactly right. You want to try it?
This is the calm before the storm. You know what's coming, so be warned. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Although my feet have come too far for you to tie up to the ground. Can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going now. And turn it back around. Can't stop me. Oh yeah, can't stop me now. No, 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 you can't stop me. You can't stop, no, you can't stop me. No, 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 you can't stop me now.
Okay, I am on my way outside because Brad is behind me pushing all of the vines, raking the dirt, and I'm gonna go put it into the green bin so that we can clean up one area at a time as we take the floor out. And we're getting there. Here's the other side. Down here. So, time to fill the green bin. Well, we have a full green bin, which is here, and the side of the house is clean, and Brad is vacuuming the walls. Yes, that is a thing. So we're almost there. I'll show you what Brad's up to. Here he is, vacuuming the wall. And we've cleaned up the floors, and so they're looking pretty good. They're all de-nailed, cleaned out under there, so this bit is almost done.